My name is Mickey. If you don't understand, then I am a small white Chihuahua dog. And this is my older sister. She is also a small dog but of the Tow Terrier breed. Now she will dig a hole and you will listen to her singing to the sound of the alarm clock. This is a lot of fun and funny.